going to be doing something exciting, something that should be funny. Today I'm going to be doing a Boohoo haul. Ooh, I spent $159. This is a lot of clothes for $159 on this Boohoo haul. But today we do have a special guest featured in our video today. My boyfriend
TZ
is going to be rating my haul, like my outfits. So he doesn't know none of the outfits that I bought because I always be shopping and he don't know. And I am showing my address. Let's turn this. So yeah, and today I will be trying on clothes with Jockey's Life. Let me get it washed out. With Jock's Life compression smoothing shorts. So we can see how these things look. So right here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you like, comment. Can't even get it out, y'all. I'm tired. It's like late. If you guys like content like this, comment below. Let your girl know it's something different from my channel. Hopefully this is entertaining. So let's get into the first outfit.
They used to talk about me, but now my name all in their searches now. Pretty in the face, little in the waist. I talk my shit, I get cocky. These bitches won't beat me, these bitches can't see me. Got CC all over my body. Killing bitches is a hobby.
Guys, don't look at it. So this is the first outfit I have. It's the plus Leopard off the shoulder Maxi dress. Like I said, I do have shapewear on, and it kind of hits the floor. I'm gonna try to stand back here so I can see it. I'll turn. And you guys, I don't have no makeup on. I don't have nothing on, so you just have my face. So baby, okay, what you think?
She look good. I like the shape, bro. It shows your shape.
What?
On the scale of 1 to 10.
You gotta talk loud, baby.
On the scale of 1 to 10, I think it's a 7.
Think it's a 7?
Yeah. Cheetah print.
You don't like it?
It's alright.
It's okay. Like I said, I'm trying to get some stuff different that I really don't wear, but I like this. I think my butt looks good.
Yeah, definitely.
But alright, you guys, so I'm gonna try to make this fast so he won't cheat. Let's go to the next outfit. Okay, don't look at it. So y'all, this is something I didn't even know I purchased this. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. Let me turn this air off. Oh, I'm not gonna cap. This is not nothing that I wear. I'm not wearing this anywhere. Let me tell you that. I don't like these one pieces. But anyways, this is a plus rib Cami jumpsuit. It was $14. I still got some space. Let me see. I still got some space in it. It's like comfortable. If you think I'll probably wear this to the office, that's about it with a jean jacket on. But I ain't wearing this nowhere special because I really don't care for it. Okay, there. Look.
That's something that you will wear though.
No, this is a one piece.
Oh, because it don't have pockets?
Yeah, you know, like I wear it. I guess I would wear it, but
you wear
this ain't my top pick. Like if I had to go in my closet and pick something to wear, like I wouldn't pick this out.
You know you want this.
So what's your rate?
Since it don't have pockets.
No, you have to rate it off how you like it, not how you think I wear it.
How I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. I'll give it an 8.
You like this better than Cheetah's dress?
Yeah, Cheetah just
Too much.
Yeah.
I like that dress. That's the only reason why I did this all. But alright, y'all, he give this outfit an 8. 8. So let's go ahead and get to the outfit. Alright, you guys, so y'all know your girl works in her office, so I don't really have to dress up to go to work. So I'm into the comfy clothes phase right now. So right here I have on an oversized tie-dye shirt. This thing says t-shirt dress, but then the tag says shirt, which clearly on me is a shirt. But it was $11.66. For the video, I paired it with these rib shorts. They go real high. high-waisted ripped shorts. And these are $7.78. This is real cool, real comfortable. I got a pair of J's and a match this shirt. So yeah, I would actually probably wear these together if I'm going for a cute, comfy look for the office. Real cute, real simple. So babe, turn around. How do you like this?
It's simple.
So
What J's you wear over there?
the pink and blue ones with the black, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you for the outfit. Both pieces off as well.
I'll give it a 7.
Y'all like how baggy this shirt is. I'm not gonna cap. I like this. This shirt is real baggy, but it's real comfortable.
It's just so you can wear around the office.
Around the office, a little trip to Walmart,
See-through.
I got on black pants. A little trip to Walmart, a little move outfit, something cute, but you still a little fashionable. So I'm ready. Next piece. All right, you guys. So both these pieces came from Boohoo. I might have this shirt in white as well, so you guys probably will see it again. But I love this shirt. It says perfectly unperfect. It describes me to a T. I love this shirt, and I also paired it with this plus grid check mid skirt. I don't like this skirt. I feel like I could have went down a size. It's giving me church vibes, and I wanted it to give me fitted vibes. So I'm really not messing with it too tough, but it was only $9.34. So we're gonna spend too much time on this outfit because I really don't care for it. So let's get Jamal's opinion. I like the shirt, but the skirt.
Yeah, I like the shirt.
Church vibes.
Shirt, yeah, you
Like,
could have went down the side.
I could have went out 2 sizes, like, y'all. But that's the thing with Boohoo. Their clothes are in UK sizes, so like this is a UK 24. I wear like an 18-20 US, so I got it too big. But yeah, it's an epic deal. Right, next outfit. So you guys, this is the next outfit. Of course, I had this shirt on last time, but the difference today, well not today, right now, is I have on a different pair of biker shorts. This is giving me T-bone vibes, but real comfortable, real cute. They're the same as the black one, so it's really no difference. And again, they were $7.78. Let me get you guys a close up on the shorts. So it ain't go high. Like I can pump up. No, accentuate the butt. All right, so
You know you want this for this.
camera's crazy. Just short. What you saying? Ooh, for? They see through?
Yeah, you can put those.
You know you want this for this.
But
I like those.
what's your rating?
I'll give those 7.
He ain't got nothing to say, y'all. He don't like me for real. But let's go to the next outfit. Guys, this is the next outfit. Like I told you all, I have this shirt in white, of course. So this is the white version of the shirt. Again, it was $6.22. So the real new item in this part are these shorts. If you know me, I love me a good biker short. I love them. So this is and they're so comfortable. These are the tie-dye cycler shorts, color blue denim, and
You know you
of
want
course
this
the
for
size 22, and they were $7.78. Booty on fleek. I think you gonna like these. Look.
Like those. Like them. Like them. Easy.
You know you want this for this.
That's how you do it. Babe. girls Jordans because those ones that just came out. We'll look cute these. So, all right. Next outfit, guys. So I have on 2 pieces at one time plus a piece I already showed. But as you guys can see, this haul is more of a comfy haul because I work in an environment where I need comfy clothes. So I bought a whole bunch of clothes to basically wear to the office. So what I have on right here now is a bodycon. Not a bodycon. I have on a bodysuit, a ribbed bodysuit that matches the ribbed shorts that I showed earlier. And I have on this oversized hoodie. This is nothing special. Another try-on I have it also in brown. I was gonna show you guys. I do have it in brown. And this ribbed tee was $7.78. This hoodie was $9.34. I cannot pass it up on a hoodie. Period. So this is really up to him to rate, but we're gonna have rate anyway. But this is like real comfortable, real cute.
You know you want this for this.
Oh, let me get y'all to the bottom. So, basically, this is real like cute and comfortable outfits. I could throw on my black and gray J's with some Nike socks, with my Gucci bag. There we go. It'll be out. What you think, baby? Like, this is like real comfortable. Or I can put on my red, black, and white J's. Nike socks, Gucci bag. It's all about it. And I do have it in brown as well, like I said again. Let's go to the last item. Last item? Yeah, it's one last item. Okay? Alright, you guys, this is the last item of the haul. And this is a scroll. Wrong email, but this is an oversized plaid shirt. I know that much. Where is my email? Anyway, we're not going to spend too much time on that. But this is an oversized shirt. You guys see, I paired it with my gold jewelry. Real cute, real comfortable. At the bottom, we have the ripped biker shorts. If you want to take this look a whole other way, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all can simply roll up the shorts and give it like a real, like no pants vibe.
You know you want this.
You know, like it. I don't do like a little bit peeking, but it looks like from all in all like you don't have any pants on. So you can also rock that way with this outfit, with this shirt. So babe. So like I said, you can rock this like this and have your shorts all the way pulled up to give it like a no pants vibe. If my dad said this, he'd probably kill me. But give it like a no pants vibe. You know, show off some leg. You know, I got pretty legs like me. Yeah. But you can do that way as well. So what's your rating for this shirt?
I'll give it an 8.
Give it an 8. Yeah, I had to give nothing a 10. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so
what you wearing with all your clothes, I give it a 10. You my dog. Well, that's what I'm talking.
Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and end this haul here.
You know you want this.
Y'all, I'm just gonna hold my camera because it's really tweaking. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today for my fashion haul featuring boho clothes. I will link all the clothes below in the description bar. Special thanks to JT for making the special appearance in my YouTube video. So yeah, if you guys like content like this or want me to do another haul, please comment below different brands that you guys want me to try. Remember, I am a big girl, so make sure to be close. So right here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all the social medias below. Make sure y'all watch this video. If you made it to the end of the video, please leave down in the comments, leave your girl. Babe, what emoji? What emoji should they leave below?
Thumbs up.
Like you heard it here. So if you made it this far in the video, leave your girl a big thumbs up in the comments. Love you guys so much. From the road to 1K. Yes, Christine Creations website is down, but we do have an Etsy store that you guys can shop at in the meanwhile. I will also link that down in the description box for you guys as well. Have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Peace.